Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. So, these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, this is for your career situation. For your moon energy, guys, today we'll be picking one card. So that is for your moon energy today, Leos. So let's start with the cards for your general energies. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So first with these cards, we have Rider, Key and Sun. So, with these cards, guys, in your circumstances today, Leos, maybe if you are worried about something, if you feel that something is not right, something is not happening the way you expected, there are something challenging you, something worrying you. But today, you will feel really that some changes are coming your way because there are great positive changes happening in your situation, guys, and you can be extremely confident and happy for the way things are going. And whatever dreams you have or whatever aspirations you have for yourself, ambitions maybe, you are going towards that, you are reaching towards that, and all that challenges and obstacles you see is nothing in front of that confidence, skills, and talents you have today, Leos. And today you are getting some important announcement, maybe something really good coming your way in your career or maybe in your personal life. It may be a good news or it may be an opportunity or it may be a visitor, someone you never expected. So, some positive news is coming your way, Leos. And maybe even in this relationship, whatever doubts or confusions you had, all that is going to clear up, guys. This card here, in fact, all the three cards here are very positive cards here, guys. So, these cards stand for greater opportunities coming your way, luck, and prosperity. So, whatever was missing in this relationship, maybe you had some expectations on this love, on this relationship, and you felt that something was missing. Today, whatever was missing is going to come to you, guys, Leos. So, you are not going to lack anything today, and you are going to feel really happy, confident, and maybe for some of you, this person is thinking of proposing to you or thinking of marriage with you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is mice. So maybe you feel that this person is using you. Maybe, guys, for some of you, you feel that you may feel that they are trying to use you financially or for to benefit themselves, and you are wasting your time and energy on this person or on this relationship. But this love, this relationship is something that will put you back on, or what to say, track, guys. Maybe it will be back on track. Maybe in the beginning you would have trusted them, but now that trust may not be there because you may feel that they are trying to use you in some ways. But with these cards, with the previous set of cards, this energy is not going to be there, this negative energy. So things are changing. That is what I see, guys. Positive changes are what I see for you all, guys, Leos. So you may feel lost, or you may feel what to say, you may feel that this person is not what they are, but this love will work, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Leos. So for your career situation, we picked one card. It is Scythe. So in your work situation, maybe whatever difficulties you had in your work situation, that is going to come to an end, guys. Maybe you were having some delays or suspensions. You are going to see huge changes in your work situation. So maybe in your work you would have felt really someone is trying to benefit from you. So that energy is going to come to an end. So whatever difficulties you were seeing in your work situation, all that is coming to an end, guys. And negativity is going to come to an end, and there are sudden changes happening in your life today, in your works situation, Leos. So for your moon energy card, it says your commitment is being tested. So you just need to be strong. Maybe your circumstances are testing you. If you want to achieve something, Leos, you must go for it. That is what this card is about. So if you want to achieve your dreams and your goals, you must move towards that. You must be committed, ready to do anything to achieve that, and ready to put in your work, make efforts for that. So that is what this card is about, and this is the time for you to show your commitment and the extent you will go to make things work for you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, Leos. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So we will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this first card, it says Rose Elf Revelations. So when this card comes to you in a reading, guys, it just means that you are having something in your mind, something is what to say, something you have not revealed. Maybe all that sadness and grief you have been holding on, that has been burdening you. So this is the time you are going to be free of all those burdens. So some kind of unkindness towards you, bullying maybe, or injustice done to you is coming into light, and people around you may know the truth, the reason for your sadness or the way you were, guys. And you need to trust your instincts today and see for signs. Maybe you may be seeing signs in your circumstances, maybe something happening naturally, the way the birds are singing, or what to say, some signs in nature that you see around yourself. You must be aware of that, because that is going to give you or take you towards truth or clarity today. So your instincts are here to help you guys. You need to trust that. And whatever injustice is being done to you is going to come into light. So there is a person who has been treating you in a bad way and you were suppressing it, but whatever it is, truth comes into light someday, guys. You can never hide the truth, whatever it may be. And maybe you are someone experiencing this injustice, or maybe there is someone in your circumstances who is experiencing this injustice, and you can bring hope to that person who has lost it. You can make them feel peaceful again, help them with your kind words and with your kind heart, and whatever evil has been done to you will be recognized, and that person who has wronged you will be revealed, and justice is coming out, justice is happening, unfolding in your circumstances. So you can never hide truth for a very long time, guys. So you need to understand that. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. So for those who chose this second card, this card, we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, loyal heart. So this card just means that in your relationship today with your person you love, you both are having a beautiful understanding, mutual love, respect and caring is there. You are devoted to each other and you are loyal to each other, and this may be the time for heartfelt commitments and trust. And you need to understand that having that trust, mutual love and trust for each other, you can see that this relationship is divinely protected and divinely directed. So just like you trust this person, they trust you, and just like this person trusts you, are you loyal to them in return? Are you reciprocating their trust? So you need to question yourself on that, guys, and this is the time for you to be really truthful, honest with what you truly feel, and make this person understand what you truly feel. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So with this card, it just looks like you are in that deep connection with this person, and you both love each other, and you both have a great future together. That is what this card is about, and maybe this may be a twin flame soulmate connection you have with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.